Hi guys, postman's bin. It's Christmas Eve, 24th of December, but none of these are Christmas presents. They're all stuff I've ordered. I was feeling this one and I can't imagine what it is. It's something pretty tiny. Ooh, I reckon I can guess. I think that's soldering iron tips for my soldering iron. That's the only thing that's going to be that small. Can we get this open? Alright, let's risk chopping the top off. Oh, come on. Oh, that's better. Yep, inside there. Hang on. No, there we are. Sellotape to the back of the receipt. So yeah, that's soldering iron tips for my soldering iron. Let's get the soldering iron. See if they're the right size. Look like they might be. So we can get one out. Stupid prices for these. These were the cheapest I could find. I don't remember how much they were. Probably something like £6 for 3 of them or something like that. Okay, that looks like that fits. That's my Lidl or Parkside PLS 4802. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. No, PLS 48D2, D for Donald. Yeah, I tend to abuse it a little bit, use it for heating things up that need to be extra hot, because I can turn the temperature right up on it. So I've eaten that bit up completely. So that's a success. Good. Just have a quick look, see if it tells me how much they were. No, it doesn't. Okay, so one down. This one feels like test leads. Oh, they're a bit fancy. No, they're not test leads at all. That's the test leads. That, I think we can work what that is. Work out what that is. That's the hot end for my printer. For my 3D printer. Replacement hot end, which I don't need. It's working absolutely fine. But I ordered it anyway. So, gosh, that's a tiny nozzle on there. That looks smaller than the ones I normally use. Never mind. So that's what that is. Is there a serial number on it? Just made in China. So this one should just be the Bowden cable tube, or whatever they call it, the actual, that thing, which I ordered that and then decided I probably only needed that. So I might as well go in the same bag. That's the connectors. Okay, so that can all go together. That can go in a bin. So this must be the test leads. Because I got some really cheap test leads with some really cheap testers. I keep trying to mend them. And I thought I'd treat myself to a double wrapped 10 amp digital multimeter test leads, probes, voltmeter cable. Splink Tech. Okay. Oh, they're very cheap. I think they were only £2 or £3. Okay. Oh, now they looked in the picture like they actually came apart and you could unscrew them. That's a little bit annoying. Yeah, I thought they were going to come apart so you could unscrew them and repair them easily. So these are really no better than the cheap ones that I've got. Let's find a meter. That's one of my meters. Will they even plug into there? Oh yeah. Alright. So, oh, that one's been crushed. Oh, it's only soft rubber. Okay, they look reasonable. Right, so I have replacement test leads. These ones are actually better. Can't remember when I bought these, but they at least come apart so you can screw in different tips. I think that's one I repaired. Soldered a clip on the end. Yeah, okay, so there you go. That's Grandad's post bag for Christmas Eve. No Christmas presents though. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel. And down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.